Alright everybody, so here is update number 2 on my MPC 75 Corvette Convertible. Oh, what can I say about this kid? It's an old MPC. That's about what I could say about it. It's not great. It's not bad, but it's definitely not great by any means. Um, let's take a look at it here. First off, everything was in yellow, so I should have, when doing like the interior, I should have put a coat of primer on it, but I didn't. So I got the interior here. It's in a light tan. As you can see, my seats are uneven, which I'm going to have to redo because it is a convertible, so it sits in there. I did the interior light tan with a, I think that was Tester's brown, or not brown, but Tester's wood for the inserts and the top of the dashboard. Just gloss black and silver. The outlines of everything was not perfect, so I mean it didn't really catch on everything. You know, the paint when you do like edges and stuff. I tried to do white on the dials there and the silver around it. Not great. The pedals down there just weren't really molded properly. The doors were hard to see the outlines of everything. Of course, they're showing up on the video, but when you actually look at it with the naked eye, it's very hard to see all the detail work in there. Yeah, it's been a trip working on this one. Let me show you the body here for a second here. The body has got 2 coats of the Model Master primer. Needs one more quick sand. It's still a little tacky. I did one this afternoon. I did it outside. It was a little windy today, and it kind of fell over in the dirt. So it just needs a quick cleanup. And then I think I have a color choice for this, but I haven't 100% fully decided yet. Now, the chassis on this thing, let me tell you, not great. So the engine, less than subpar on the detail. Not a lot to talk about. Flip it underneath here. First of all, when you put it in here, it doesn't want to sit on the engine mounts properly. Let me get a pointer here. Where the engine mounts are here, that's the right in here. You see it just kind of bounces around. It doesn't want to sit there properly. It's got a little tension from the drive shaft sitting on the rear end there. As you can see, I need a couple touch-ups of the black paint there. Doing some scraping there, and it kind of came off there. Yeah, so the engine's not over detailed. It's not great. It doesn't even sit in properly. The fan is falling forward on it. I got to redo. The tires were nice. I had no problems with the tires. I like the tires. I did a black wash on the middle of the wheels here for the lug nuts and whatnot, but it dried kind of clear, so I have to try that again. That was not to my liking, but I'd like to actually paint the letters on the tires. They've got nice raised tires or letters. There it is. Can you see that? Almost. Yeah, I like the raised letters there. I kind of want to paint that. Now, the fun part about this here is the back end. When you look at the back end, look at these tires, man. They are way out of alignment from the rest of the car. Let's line it up here on the line. Look at those tires. Not even close to an alignment. I don't know if I put the rear end in wrong or what, but man, look at that. Let's sand this up again. See how they just going outward that way? Not even close. So, I don't know if that's going to affect the way the car sits or what, but we shall see. Now, I got to tell you, these wheels look really good when you put the body on here. Just to do it real quick here. Look sharp. I'm hoping the paint on the body comes out real nice. One thing I didn't notice when I did the unboxing of the kit was the frame here, the window here was dented in. You can see that. Not great. But I think when you put the window in, it will actually pick that back out. So I think it's going to be okay. Let's take a look at it. So hopefully tomorrow, do something with the body. It's still a little tacky today. I want to put another coat of black on the firewall. I've actually been using, I think it was like Model Master acrylic grime or something I used. But like I said, I should have primered everything. Stupid yellow. So, like I said, engine, not great. Engine, not sitting in there properly. Interior, everything was a little rough in there. I have to redo that one seat there to try to make them even, because that's not going to be like that. So, here's my update on the Corvette. MPC, like I said, MPC. Here's the dog came up next to me. Hey, Molly, look up. Hey. Oh, she doesn't want to look at me. Hey, Molly, say hi to the peoples. Molly. Hey, you're wasting the people's time. Get your head out of the bag. Come on. Well, she's there. There she goes. Hey. Well, she just got a camera shy today. So this is update number 2. I'll keep you posted. And wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you guys later.